This is a person that started YouTube and was very hesitant about it. Against it, totally, 120%. Like, nope, I don't want to do that. Why we got to do that? This is what happened when you come to me. When you come to me and you tell me you don't want to start a YouTube channel. Now, can you believe that this person, she did not want to start a YouTube channel? Okay, Miss Lorraine. Miss Lorraine was like, girl, I can't do it. I can't. We had a session where we recorded her content and recorded, I don't know, like 6 or 8 videos. I can't remember at this point. But we sat down, recorded all her videos. We did it all on Zoom. So it was all virtual. We recorded all her videos. I then went through, edited her videos, put those videos up. Now, those videos didn't do as well as we wanted them to, but that's okay. She got started. That's the point. She got started. Now, look at her. Look at this. 5 million views on YouTube. Okay, 5 million. And that all happened because she started. So you come to me for when you want to start with something and you want to actually make it successful, right? She's a dope content creator. So this is all her. But my thing is the start. Even when you don't want to do it, you do it anyway because it's worth it. Digital. Alexa, play This Girl Is on Fire. I'm just kidding. Alexa don't really play that.